Hello traders, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Tradovate connection. Actually, I'm going to show you how to set up two Tradovate connections so that you can see how they work together inside of the copier. Okay, we are on the connections tab. All we have to do is click add connection, give it a custom name. So let's just say Tradovate 1, and then the username is going to be whatever username you actually set up your Tradovate connection under. Then we're going to select Tradovate, and in the Tradovate connection, we don't actually need a password because we log in through OAuth, but we do need the is live connection or not. So if you're on a simulated connection, meaning you're with a prop trading firm, meaning it's a test account from NinjaTrader, you leave is live connection, you leave that turned off. If it's a live NinjaTrader account or if it's a live Tradovate account, meaning you've funded it with your own money, you check this checkbox and then you connect to the live connection. All right, that's pretty much it. We save the connection and then the pop-up comes in with, hey, risk disclaimer, trading is risky. Please make sure you read that. And then we're going to set up Tradovate number 2 connection. Tradovate number 2, and this one is ETPI. And we're not going to need a password because we're going to select Tradovate. We don't need a password. Is live connection. It's not a live connection. It's a sim account. And then we're going to save the connection. And we're going to read through the disclaimer. Make sure you read through the disclaimer. And then these are the two accounts. So one of them is this one, and then the other one is this one. You can see I've got it right here at the top. So they're two different accounts. In the next video, I'll show you how to connect through OAuth to Tradovate. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.